Doing today quiz on India. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, okay. First question is the capital of India,
New Delhi.
national animal of India,
Tiger.
national bird of India,
Peacock.
national flower of India,
Lotus.
national fruit of India,
Mango.
father of nation,
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
what we called our national flag,
Tiranga.
why we called it Tiranga,
Because he had 3 colors. Saffron, white, green.
okay. How many states of India,
28.
largest city of India,
Rajasthan.
smallest city of India, state of India,
Goa.
the first PM of India,
Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru.
the current Prime Minister of India,
Modi ji.
currency of India,
Indian rupee.
national anthem of India.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jai.
Good.
I love India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.